Look at this question. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Taken from textbook. This type of question will be asked in the board exam. It is very important problem. Okay. We have to find the zeros of the polynomial and also we have to verify that. I will explain. Listen carefully. We are given a quadratic polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Is that okay? Is it clear? How will you find 0? 0 means for what value of x? For what value of x this becomes 0? The value of x for which this one equal to 0 is said to be 0 of the polynomial. So remember, to find 0 of the polynomial, the first step will be equate it to 0. Please don't forget it. To find 0 of a polynomial, what is the first step? Just equate to 0. Okay, don't forget it. And in 9th standard, we have studied factorization. We have to factorize this. Do you remember the factorization? In order to find the value of x, you have to factorize this. X square minus 2x minus 8. The splitting the middle term. Do you remember that? If you don't remember, I will discuss that. Okay. X square minus 2x minus 8 to be factorized. To factorize, I will tell you, listen carefully. To factorize a quadratic polynomial, the first step is you look at the middle coefficients. Step by step, okay? Now you have to look at the middle coefficients. What is this? The middle one, it is minus 2, correct? Don't write x, the middle coefficient, minus 2, correct? So, let it be sum. You have to find the two number. I will explain every step. Listen carefully. Look at the middle coefficients. Let it be the sum of two number. Here the first coefficient is 1, correct? Clear? The first coefficient is 1. Then after that, you have to consider the first coefficient and last coefficient. I am not writing any formula here. Look at the first coefficient and last coefficient. Take their product. Take their product. 1 into minus 8. 1 into minus 8. What is that? Minus 8. It should be the product. I will repeat. Don't worry. I will repeat. So to factorize a quadratic polynomial, this should be the first step. If I look at the middle coefficient, it must be the sum. First into last. First coefficient into last coefficient. 1 into minus 8. Should be the product. You have to find the two number whose sum is minus 2 and product is minus 8. What are the two numbers? What are the two numbers whose sum is minus 2 and product is minus 8? You guess it. Product minus 8. One possibility is 4 and 2. 4 into 2 is 8 actually. But the product must be minus sign, minus 8. So one of the number should be negative. Which number must be negative number? This number must be negative. Because if you add them, you will get minus 2. So you have to guess the two number so that the product must be this number and sum must be this number. Minus 4 and 2. Clear? So if you have any doubt, you can repeat this video. So the given polynomial p of x becomes 1x square. You can write x square itself. Okay, 1x square is x square. The middle number minus 2. The middle number minus 2 is in fact the sum of minus 4 and 2. See, correct. Minus 2 is actually the sum of minus 4 and 2. So the middle term minus 2x is written as, the middle term minus 2x is written as minus 4x plus 2x. Minus 4x plus 2x. Is it correct? I told you that sum of minus 4 and 2 is minus 2. So minus 2x can be written as minus 4x plus 2x. This method is said to be splitting the middle term. Then minus 8 is there. You have to just write the last number as it is. Okay. After this, the splitting of the middle term. Okay, this is the procedure. If you have any doubt, you please repeat this video. And look here, from the first and second, can I take x outside? From the first and second, I can take x outside. X into x minus 4. Is that correct? Yes, if x square minus 4x. If x is taken, x minus 4 is left. X into x, x square. Minus x into 4, 4x. Okay. Then 2x minus 8 is there. From 2x minus 8, can I take 2 outside? From 2x minus 8, can I take 2 outside? Yes. Taking 2 outside, x minus 4 is left. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. So my objective is I want to factorize this. Now you can see that x minus 4 is common in both the terms. In both the terms, x minus 4 is common. So you may take x minus 4 outside. You may take x minus 4 outside. If you take x minus 4 outside, here x is remaining. And here plus 2 is remaining. Have you understood that? These two terms, x minus 4 is common. X minus 4 taken out. If x minus 4 is taken, x is remaining, plus 2 is remaining. So this is the polynomial. Initially I equated to 0. To find 0, the polynomial should be equated to 0. So the factorization is required. So the polynomial must be equal to 0 to find zeros. The product of two terms equal to 0 means either first one 0 or second one 0. Either first one 0 or the second one 0. One of them must be 0. You know that. If the product of two numbers equal to 0, one of them must be 0. Either first one 0 or second one 0. What happens? X minus 4 0. If x minus 4 0, you will get x equal to 4. And if x plus 2 0, what happens? 2 can be taken to the other side, x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. These are the zeros of the given polynomial. When x equal to 4, this polynomial value will be 0. When x equal to minus 2, this one will be 0. So you understood the technique. Okay, this step is clear to you. Then we are not finished yet. The zeros I got. This is the way by which we find the zeros. But after finding zeros, verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. That step is required. So remember, this is ax square comparing with the standard form. This is a. What is the general form of the quadratic? We studied in the previous session. This is a, and this is b, and this is c. Clear? You may write here a. You can write here, or you just underline that. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, and c equal to minus 8. The zeros are denoted by alpha and beta. We studied in the previous session. Zeros are denoted by alpha and beta. So alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to minus 2. You have to write it. Alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to minus 2. Don't deviate from these steps. You have to verify two equations. Do you remember that? The two equations we studied in the previous session. We have to verify alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. You have to memorize this and we have to verify this. We have to verify this. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Let us find out alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta will be 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2 will be 2. Correct? Right hand side is minus b by a. Are you clear? Right hand side is minus b by a. Minus b by a will be minus of b. What is b? I have written that. B is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 by a. A is 1. Minus of minus becomes plus. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2. Alpha plus beta is 2 and minus b by a also 2. So I can write alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. The first part is verified. The first part is verified. The second part to be verified is alpha beta equal to c by a. What is alpha beta? Alpha is 4 and beta is minus 2. 4 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. Right side is c by a. Right side is what? C by a. C is minus 8 and a is 1. Minus 8. Clear? So alpha beta is minus 8, c by a also minus 8. So alpha beta also equal to c by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. Till this step you have to write the entire solution. You cannot skip any step. Okay. So the method is clear. So if you have any doubt, you please watch this video again. Okay.